Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the EarFun, Air-Free, Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Now, I've been using these bad boys for a good amount of time, and I think it's about time we knock this fit and sound demo out. And I gotta tell y'all, I'm really enjoying these earphones so far. Anyways, let's go. So today in this video, I'm going to try and give y'all a nice close-up of the earbuds. Then we're going to try them on, and I'm going to give y'all an overall look at how they look in my ears, and I'm going to let y'all know how they feel in my ears as well. Then we're going to do 2 sound tests. We're going to do 1 leakage test, and then I'm going to attempt to give y'all 1 sound sample. Now, just for reference, the microphone is right here, less than a foot away from my mouth. Okay, so just so y'all know how far the microphone is. Now I'm using a different rig today, so y'all won't be able to see it in the camera frame, but it's there, trust me. So let's get into this video. Let's go. Now, starting off, I just want to give y'all a nice close-up of the buds. Alright, so one thing that I like about these buds in particular is that they use hardware buttons. So these are clicky and tactile buttons, as y'all can see right there. So it's not touch controls, there's no touch sensors to mess with. It's just a clicky tactile button that is branded. So you can see this is the button area. You can see it has a nice company branding on it. And then we got a LED indicator light. And then if I spin it around here, you can see the charging port pins right there, with a nice label right there, and then you can see the earbud. Alright, so really good stuff in my opinion. Okay, so let's drop this in. That was the right, and that goes right in, as you can see right there. Nice comfy fit, really good sound isolation here, good stuff. Okay, so this is the right. Okay, now let's do the same thing for the left. So yet again, you can see you got your touch sensitive area right here with your LED, minimal company branding right there. And if I spin it around, we can see, oops, bumped the table there, my bad. If I spin it around, we can see our labeling right there. So this is the left earbud, our charging pins, and then the earbud itself. Really good stuff right there. Alright, and let's drop this one in as well. That one goes right in, and let me show y'all. This is the left. Looking good, feeling good. I could barely hear myself talk. So we're getting some nice passive sound isolation here. Okay, that's the left, and that's the right. Boom. And this actually feels really good. I've used this for multiple extended listening sessions and didn't have any issues. So the overall fit and feel, in my opinion, with these earbuds is top notch. Okay, now moving on, let's get into our sound demonstrations. The first test we're going to do is a leakage test. So I just want to show y'all, oops, sorry y'all, bumpy cam here. Just want to show y'all real quickly that I have maxed out the volume, so you can see the volume is maxed right there. And we do have the earbuds connected, as y'all saw. So now we're going to go ahead and play the music. Now, it's 1 tap on either side for play pause. So let's go ahead and push play. Alright, and let's check for leakage here. Here we go. Music is playing. Here we go. Beat about to drop. Do this for about a minute. Oh! Okay, that should do it. Let's pause real quick. Alright, so there you guys and gals have it. Real quick leakage test. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to restart the music. I'm going to hold the earbuds up to the mic and I'm going to attempt to give y'all a nice sound sample. Then we're going to wrap this video up. But my impressions of the overall sound, overall the volume is really good, okay? The sound separation between the instruments is really good. You can really tell the difference between the low, the middle, and the high tones. So that's really good sound quality in my opinion with really good overall volume. Now, the one thing that I noticed is that the bass is a little soft. In terms of the bass, I kind of want a little bit more punch out of it. In my opinion, in terms of the bass, nothing is beating my Bluetooth earbuds, okay? The Bluetooths overall had the right combination of bass, sound quality, and volume, whereas this one, the bass is kind of falling a little bit short, okay? But overall, I have to say it's pretty good, all right? Just my thoughts on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass. We're going to dive into a little bit more in the full review. Now, let me get into this last sound test for y'all. So let's go ahead and push play. Let's pop these out and hold them up to the mic. Okay, let's try not to drop them. Here we go. And we'll do this for about a minute. Okay, you know what? That's good. My arms are getting tired. Let's pause this. Alright, so let's adjust that a little bit. So there you guys and gals have it. Real quick fitting and sound demonstration test with the EarFun air-free Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. As always, I'll give y'all a link to my sound demo playlist, because when I give y'all these sound samples, I try to use copyright-free music so we avoid all issues. But I'll give y'all a link to a playlist that I used when I was testing out these earbuds down below in the video description, as well as down below in the video description y'all will get the link to the copyright-free music that I used in this video. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope y'all are staying safe out there, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.